What is an antenna? Okay, so we saw earlier that this is a transmission media, okay, for guided system. You can see like we have like a pipe where the information will be transferred. This is physical. We saw this one, transmission lines. Okay, so now um you can see transmission line there for the wireless connection, and then we're going with radio guided wave. Okay, that example that you see here, no wires, wireless. Okay, so now this is like an example typical to give you an idea um of what we call an antenna. It's also called a transducer, which converts electricity into electromagnetic wave. Okay, it can be the link between guided or unguided medium. Okay, that's what you can define an antenna. Okay, so as you can see here, transmitter and the receiver, and here you can see transmitter and the receiver, wireless and guided, the source and the destination. Okay, we use it for long distance conduction. Okay, and transfer electricity into air, wire. This is what we call electromagnetic wave. So we can use an antenna as a transmitter or receiver, and as a transducer. So the antenna is used for radios, TV, satellite, cellular, Wi-Fi, or more. This is where we use a antenna. Okay, and this is an example for an antenna. We have a transmitter, and we got our receiver there. Okay, and the electromagnetic is what you see in between. Electromagnetic waves. Okay, that's what you see in between. And yet another example of antenna and receiver. This is a transmitter, receiver, transmitter. So you can see how we're sharing the information from transmitter to receiver, from transmitter to all the receivers. The information has been passed. Okay, and the application of antennas in electronics. Okay, as we have seen here, the application of antennas in electronics, we use them for radio, TV, satellite, mobile, Wi-Fi, and more communications. So the antenna are used for radio broadcasting, TV broadcasting, satellite, cellular, Wi-Fi communications, and the application of the antenna is for cellular network. Okay, when you use your phone, you connect wirelessly and to the cellular tower, and then we have Wi-Fi network, radiate and receive signal over the internet. That's also the application of antennas. We have satellite communication, where we can transmit signal and receive signal from the satellite to the ground floor. Okay, an example is a parabolic dished antenna that you use in the house. Okay, and for the Wi-Fi network we use a dual band antennas. And for IoT system, this is when you work with microcontrollers, how you are able to get the connection or transfer data from one microcontroller to another, which can be ESP now protocol if using ESP32, or just Wi-Fi WebSocket. So, and you can see embedded system or microcontroller, smart home sensors, for example, and broadcasting TV, radio, and TV. This way, we need an antenna to transmit radio and television signal over large distance. Okay, that's what we call broadcasting tower antennas. So, in short, this is where you see the application of an antenna in electronics communication. Okay, in simple terms.